Greetings, Yamada. Hey everybody, how are you guys and girls are feeling? This is Illuminated Light, sharing and shining light. Today's video is about how to make a spinach salad. Now this channel is sharing and shining light on many things under the sun, including health, wellness, self-love, beauty, and fitness. But today's video is about how to make a spinach salad. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do with this spinach salad is add the spinach. I already have the spinach already washed off, so it's ready already. So I'm gonna add that to the plate. That's more than what I expected. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do to this salad, I have some tomatoes already pre-cut. Tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes. They're really good, really good. Now this salad, I'm going to mention, it's an alkaline dish. What's that looking like so far? This is we need to eat more on the alkaline side, more electrifying foods because the body is electrical. So this salad is based on the alkaline foods. So the next thing I'll be adding to this salad is avocado. A lot of people are very familiar with avocado in this raw, of course. So I'm going to add some avocado just on the side. I'm not going to add it on top of this salad. And this is where you get your good and healthy fats, good fats from. This avocado. So I'm going to add this. We already know that spinach is very good with iron. You get your iron from the spinach. Oh, it's close. You get your iron from the spinach and protein. A good source of protein. We're going to add the other avocado to this salad. A lot of this avocado is damaged, so I'm going to take some of it, not all of it. Don't you just hate damaged avocado and you really don't know that it's damaged until after you open it up? But it's all good. We're just going to move it around. Spoon is really good to help you get out the avocado. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. The next thing that we're going to be adding is pumpkin seeds. Can y'all see these? Now these pumpkin seeds are saturated or soaking in coconut oil. Now this coconut oil also have with it some chili powder, some onion powder, and paprika. I normally would add turmeric, but I forgot to add that, but you can add turmeric as well. So I'm going to sprinkle this all over the salad on top along with the tomatoes. And this is the salad dressing, you guys. This is the salad dressing. And I also added some pink Himalayan salt to this. So it's full of flavor. And this salad is particularly, this spinach salad is particularly for those who want to eat on a more alkaline base. And there is no regular salad dressing added to this. This is the salad dressing. The pumpkin seeds that are soaking in coconut oil. I'm going to move a few things around. And at the end of this, you can add, for another source of protein, chia seeds. Organic chia seeds. And what I like to do as well, this is olive oil. You don't have to add olive oil to your salad. A lot of people like to add coconut oil, but I'm one of those people that like oils poured over my salad, so I'm going to put it in. So this is our spinach salad. It didn't take me long at all to make this salad. This is something that you want to, prepare on the go. You have things to take care of. You got to get ready for work, or if you're you just got home from work and you want to eat something really really healthy. So this is a quick way. As soon as you get home, you can just rinse off your kale or rinse off your spinach, not kale. This is a spinach salad. So you rinse off your spinach and you put it on the plate, and you add your cherry tomatoes and you can cut them up. And then after that, you can add your avocados along with your pumpkin seeds that are soaked in coconut oil, along with paprika, onion powder, and chili seasoning. You can add turmeric to that as well. So this is the illuminated light, sharing and shining light. If you guys have a quick and easy salad to prepare and that you would like to share, please share it with me. You can follow me on Instagram at illuminatedlight3 for more inspiration. You can leave a comment right here on YouTube. You tell me or share with me what are your quick and fast and easy spinach salads. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Peace and love, everybody.